Hi everyone and welcome to our channel. This video will show you how to change the ringtone on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. To begin, go to Settings. Then find and select Sounds and Vibration. From there, tap on Ringtone. If you are using two SIM cards, you will see an option to set different ringtones for each one. Simply select the SIM card you want to customize. Next, choose a ringtone from the list of Samsung's preloaded options. You will hear a preview as you select each one. To use a custom sound as your ringtone, tap the plus sign. This will show you all the media files on your phone that you can use. Select the tone you want, then tap Done. Your chosen tone will now be set as your ringtone. You can follow these same steps for your second SIM card if you wish. You can also set a unique ringtone for a specific person. First, open the Contacts app. Select the contact for whom you want to change the ringtone. Tap the three vertical dots and choose Change Ringtone or Vibration. You may be asked to allow permission for the Contacts app to access music and audio on your phone. Please allow this to proceed. You will see a helpful feature to have the phone ring even when set to vibrate or mute. This can be useful for important contacts. You can enable this if you wish. Now select a ringtone from the preloaded Samsung tones. If you want to use your own music file, tap the plus sign. Select the music file and tap Done. This will set your chosen music file as the ringtone for that specific contact. That's it for this video on how to set custom ringtone on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. Thank you for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you found this video informative.